Good evening, guys. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle number 9100. 9100. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot for binary. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes in O, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O, between two ones comes in O, between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Now I'm stuck. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be an O. Then let me see. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes exactly. We saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for this evening. Until then, bye bye for now.